Good morning, everybody. This is Todd with the Forex Nitty Gritty Insiders daily video. We are post FOMC announcement, and we had some pretty strong movements we'll look at in just a minute. Today we had some announcements come out earlier and caused a little bit of movement, but nothing as big as what we saw yesterday with the FOMC. So I wanted just to take a quick look at the 6 major currency pairs here on a daily time frame. You can see we've got the US CAD up here, and we've really seen the bearish move here on this, which tells us that the US dollar is bearish in relationship to the US CAD. Whenever we have a big move down, we need to look for a point where it's going to build some support before it at least retraces a little bit. Doesn't mean that the trend is going to change. What we're going to see here is we had this nice little uptrend after an extremely strong downtrend, and then we broke through that. And so the question is whether or not this is just a pullback within the short-term uptrend, or if it's a resumption of the long-term downtrend. And we really don't know at this point. We'll find out obviously going forward. But right now, the current momentum is bearish. So if we went down to the hourly charts or the 15-minute or the 5-minute, we could identify some possible setups on the shorter time frames. The US-Japanese yen, this thing is just ripping here. It's up several hundreds of pips here as over the past couple of months. But real strong movement. Again, with a big move like this, we would anticipate seeing a little bit of a pullback into that trend before it continues to move up. But real strong U.S. dollar strength against the Japanese yen. Pound dollar, we're seeing the pound strengthen in relationship to the U.S. dollar. We're really kind of at a point where we've got some resistance overhead, and we'll look to see if that resistance is gonna hold, or if we're going to break through it or bounce down from it. US Swiss franc, strong support right now. Again, we'll see if things are able to break through there, or if we're gonna see it change direction. Nice steady uptrend on the Aussie dollar, getting up towards resistance. And last but not least, a little bit of resistance at this euro dollar. So the key here is that we've had these strong moves, but we're approaching areas of either support or resistance. So we want to keep that in mind. We don't want to get too aggressive when we're at these levels of, possible no movements or fewer movements. Now what I want to do is go down to the 5-minute chart here and just take a look at the reaction that we had on the market with the FOMC. And this is not an unusual formation to see here, where we have a contraction, consolidation, where the movement in the market is getting higher. And the lows, let me get my drawing tool here. So higher, lower highs, lower lows, and then it just gets tighter and tighter. And so we saw that, and then we saw when the announcement came out, big, strong movement here. In fact, this was in the realm of movements that were 60 pips, which is a strong movement. And then we see that it pulled back and kind of has gone up and really kind of just chopped around here over the last little bit. You can see our nice trend that we're in right now. Moving up. Along this channel at a support area. So we'd anticipate maybe seeing a bounce from that. So that's what's going on in the market right now. Take some time to review this. If you have questions, let me know. If not, have a great rest of the day, and we'll chat tomorrow and kind of wrap up the week.